So guys, you're welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to be talking about we are going to be discussing 5 reasons many are calling for the release of Nnamdi Kanu from prison. There is this widespread belief that releasing Nnamdi Kanu could pave the way for dialogue and a peaceful resolution to the long-standing issues in the southeastern region. So there is this for quite a while, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, has been detained, and the continued detention has been a basis for widespread debate and controversy in Nigeria. Several leaders from the southeastern region have been urging the federal government to release Nnamdi Kanu, including the